onions for chicken curry. Yung nilagay natin yung garlic, minced garlic. Chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. And then ginger and tomatoes with lentils. This coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and zira or cumin seeds. Now, tomato is already paste. Now, we can put now this chicken. So this is already cooked. This chicken clay and gravy. It's enough this gravy because if chicken clay, not too much gravy. If chicken curry, so must be we have to put more gravy. Ayan, luto na ang chicken clay for our dinner. And then nagsaing din ako ng white rice. Basmati ito. 1 kilo ito na basmati rice. Ayan, umuusok pa. Gagawa din ako ng chapati. I make also chapati, roti or kubos. Aside from white rice because Fahad, Langga, and my husband, they like more to eat chapati than rice. And this is good also for chicken clay, chicken curry, or any kind of curry. So, I make only 6, I think. Yeah, 6. So, for me, rice talaga because rice is life. And Fatma also, she like also to eat more than rice. She's like me, Fatma. But if I cook biryani, so no need to cook chapati because this biryani together with the viand na yon, may ulam na yon. Chicken biryani, beef curry with potatoes or anything. So, ito yung ano namin, dinner namin with white rice, chicken clay with salad. Alhamdulillah sa aming foods for today. This is Filipino radish salad with cherry tomatoes. This is organic and also this radish tuber. So, I make my own salad because they don't like this one. So, I make separate for them. This is a tuber of radish slices. And this is tomatoes and white onions. Because nobody like this kind of salad here in Pakistan. But for me, this is the best. Then, nilagyan ko ng lemon. And then, in-squeeze ko ito. Masarap. Ito yung salad namin. Partner sa niloto kong chicken clay at saka white rice and then may chapati din.